So it turns out I'm the Scrawlerbox Artist of the Month, so I thought let's do a little unboxing of their latest kit, so you can have a little look, see whether you want to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and yeah, let's see what's inside the box, shall we? I don't usually do unboxing videos, but I thought I'd give it a go. So yeah, here it is. Nice little, almost like pizza box kind of shape, just a little bit smaller. Already open, but here we go. Let's have a little look inside. So we've got stuff wrapped up in tissue. Whoa, that feels nice. Let's have a little look inside there then. So it feels like it's going to be pens. Of course it is. So we've got a bunch of pens in there. Nice little sticker as well. Look at that. That's a sticker of one of my a section of one of the pieces of artwork that I created for Scrawlerbox. That's nice. Pens, a real weird combination of pens that they gave me, but really challenging to work with and really cool to work with. So obviously they're all Posca pens, some really like dark colours. This brown, this was it brown, dark brown and ruby red, I think. Red wine, sorry. Dark brown and red wine was so similar in contrast when you actually draw with them. Even this navy blue. Really difficult to kind of get anything out, but I really like the picture that I did, so I'll show you that in a second as well. But yeah, a bunch of Posca pens. I also asked them to put in a grey pro marker, mainly because I love adding a little shadow. When I'm working on cardboard, I love working in Posca, but then adding a little shadow with the pro marker, because it's kind of like transparent, the opposite of what these Posca pens do. Yeah, it's just a real neat way of adding little drop shadows and adding little details without it being without overtaking too much. What else we got? Some sweets, cherry, cola, flavour, refreshers, vegan friendly. Nice. So yeah, that's our pens and our sweets. What else have we got in here? So there's the print that I was telling you about. So yeah, back of the print's got all my contact details, so if you want to follow me on any social media channels, they're all on there. But there is the print. I went with my standard like corkworm, just because it was easy to draw rather than going for anything new or complicated. Yeah, I knew how to do that, and yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how I've kind of got the colours working together in that piece. You'll notice what I was just saying about the grey pro marker as well. This is rather with the shadow. I don't know if you can see that really around the shadow there, around the little bits of text, just dropping in little shadows here and there on there. It really soaks into the cardboard nicely. Be More Bob. That's for the background Bob project. So a little reference to Noah. So that's the print. Let's have a little look. What else have we got? A little Scrawler zine. Let's have a flick through the Scrawler zine. Some details on the materials inside. So what kind of pens they are. They're all they're Posca pens. Posca pens, sticker. Got some card in there as well. The grey pen that I insisted on. Artist print. What I do like about this zine, I don't know if they do this all the time, but it's got this great big space here. That I'd be definitely drawing on that. So if you do have one of these, got some Posca pens, go and draw something like that. Even like that character on the front there, that would look pretty wicked. Next page in the zine is a little interview that they did with me. What's really interesting in this bit is I probably should have proofread this. Is that one of the pieces of artwork in there is not mine. You see this little piece here, it's by Daniel Wilson. Daniel Wilson's a stencil artist from the US, Chicago I think he is, and yeah, this is a piece he did for an exhibition that I was running. So as much as I like cutting stencils myself, this is not one of mine. I wish it was, but it's not. Daniel won't mind. I'll take credit for that as being one of my stencils. He'll love it. But look, there's me and my phone box. These phone boxes, they were like massive stickers. You can go and peel those off. They're knocked up in Peterborough at the moment. We've got paste up here as well, and a little Posca piece in there. But yeah, a little interview on bits about me. What's this? Scrawler tips, things you can do with your pens. Yeah, about activating them, about making mistakes, and how cool it is to make mistakes. Yeah, swatching, deep dive. So this is where I think I put in some of my... Oh no, this is like other ways of drawing with these pens. So yeah, give those a go as well. You don't have to just do what I do. Next up, artist advice. So this is back to me again. This is kind of like top tips that I gave Scrawler to put in the book. Things like wonky equals fine. Love that. So yeah, I'm all about drawing wonky lines. It makes the drawing process much easier. So yeah, there's a little bit on that as well. Here's the challenge, which is to use upcycled cardboard. So just grab a little torn off piece of cardboard or a cereal box or something like that. Use these Posca pens to draw on those. That's the challenge in there. And yeah, a few other little tips as well. This little code down here, I've not checked it to see if it works, but essentially that gives you access to the Corp Academy. So anybody, or discounted access to the Corp Academy. So any subscribers of Scrawlrbox do get a slightly cheaper version of a way of joining the Corp Academy and learning to draw with me. What's next in the book? Yeah, there goes some artwork from other artists. I believe this is based on last month's box, or box number 103 by the looks of it. Some nice little pieces in there. Top 3, so yeah, some more pieces in there. These are really nice as well. Look at that. Awesome stuff coming out of there. And then a bit about Posca. More gallery stuff. The Scrawler sketch. Those are just people who are sketching. Yeah, well done, you lot. And then last page, on the streets. I guess it's a little bit about like street artists. Possibly because Posca pens are used by a lot of street artists. I don't know. But yeah, that'd be cool. Over here we've got the YouTube channel as well. So they go live on YouTube. Thursday, 27th of June. Live on YouTube. Yeah, that's it. There we go. What's next thing in here is a little bit of paper. Some card. Let's check this out. It's got a nice feel to it, so hopefully that'll be good with the Posca pens. But yeah, I think what I'll do now is I'm just going to spend a little bit of time with my pens, get them primed up, do a little bit of a drawing on there, eat my refresher, read all about myself, and stick my print up on the wall. There you go. Anyway, well, thank you for Scrawlrbox for asking me to be their artist of the month. If you're a subscriber of Scrawlrbox, be lovely to see what you do with the challenge, what you do with these pens. So yeah, feel free to tag me at Corporate, or even use the hashtag DoodleWithCorp so I can see what you've been up to. Thanks a lot. See you later. Bye.